Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Jay. Chilo, children, will start. Okay. Yesterday, we started archaebacteria. What is it, bachcho? Archaebacteria. Okay. Now, again, archaebacteria based no screen. ऐसा कैसा होता है? Check your connection, बच्चों. So मुझे I can clearly see actually. Please check your connections. Okay, that whatever the network. Chalo. Based again archaebacteria, it is divided into three groups. What are the three groups? The first one is methanogens, and the second one is halophiles, and the third one it is nothing but thermoacidophils. Okay, in the last lecture I explained about what methanogens. Okay, children. So today's lecture में I am going to explain about halophiles. Okay. क्या हो रही है? चलो 1 second. At least now it is visible. Okay, चलो. Okay, whatever. Now, yesterday's class में I explained about methanogens, and today हमारा class में we will explain about halophiles. Okay, बच्चों. Now, halophiles मतलब these are the archaebacteria which live in the areas where the salt content is more. Understanding it? So where the salt content is more, that means ocean water. Understand? पता है ना, ocean water में salt नमक ज़्यादा होता है. Understanding? That's why we can't be able to drink the ocean water. Understanding? Fresh water we can drink, but ocean water में you can't be able to drink because the salt content is more. where mangrove marshy areas में you can be able to see what salt content ज़्यादा है, where the salt content is more, there you can be able to see this halophiles. Okay, marsh area मतलब sluggy worst areas like where go what drainages, sewages, all this are called marsh. Okay, where the okay, now they are mostly anaerobes. Bachcho, what is the meaning of anaerobes? Many times I told you, every time I need not to tell. Anaerobes matlab they can take respiration in the absence of oxygen. In the absence of oxygen, if they are taking respiration, then that is called as anaerobes. Understanding it? Whereas very important question I am telling you, very important question, where listen carefully. But before I tell this important question, I wanted to ask you one small, very basic level of question. Very small question I am going to ask you. Mother, she is cooking. Am I correct or not? If mother, when she is cooking, मान लो this is a pan, okay, and she will put some oil, okay, and then she will put some vegetables, and after that what she will do, vegetables jaldi pakane ke liye, to cook it early, what she will do? Simple question, international question to nahi hai na, simple question I am asking you. What she will add for? Yes, salt. Why she will add? So why she can't add the salt at the last में क्यों ऐड नहीं कर रहे हैं, पहले क्यों ऐड कर रहे हैं? इवन वॉट एवर द स्पाइसेस लास्ट में ही ऐड करते हैं और मिडिल ऑफ द कुकिंग में, बट सॉल्ट जल्दी ऐड करते हैं क्यों? सिंपल, इंटरनेशनल क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है, सिंपल क्वेश्चन है आस्क्ड. Yeah, dissolve property, yeah. Okay, because salt has a property. Okay, are any more what do you call attempts? Yeah, cook now. Itna answers mein Harshada gave the correct answer. It cooks fast. How? But it's simple. It's a common observation. If you add salt, the vegetable pieces release water. How many of you noticed it? How many of you noticed it? Very simple observation, common observation. If you put salt, the vegetables they release what? The vegetable pieces, that carrot, beetroot, whatever it may be, they release what? Water. That means when you add salt, the water it is released from the vegetable pieces, so that the cooking process है ना जल्दी हो जाएगा. Understanding it? मान लो without salt if you cook, it takes what some half an hour. If you add salt early and if you cook if 15-20 minutes में, that means 10 minutes of cooking process you can be able to save it. Children, समझ में है ना? So now ये example why I took, to ask you one question. What is that question? Just now I told, if any vegetable pieces matlab cells only na, if any cell kept it in the salt, they loses the water. But halophiles, they are jindagi bar, pura jindagi they are living in what salt areas only. Then the cell should lose the water and dehydrate होके मर जाना है, but they still living. How they are living? क्वेश्चन समझ में ना? आंसर छोड़ दो मेरा सिर पे, क्वेश्चन समझ में है ना? If you add salt, the cell tend to release water. So पानी से cell से पूरा पानी बाहर आएगा, and at a point of time cell completely get dehydrated and cell will die. But halophiles से पूरा जिंदगी they are living in what? Salt only, but they are not dying. How? Okay, answer do मैं? Can I give the answer for that, or you wanted to tell anything? Okay, now I will give the answer. The answer is halophiles consisting of a special protein called as halorhodopsin. What is that, bachcho? Halorhodopsin. With the help of this special chemical that is present in their cell walls, this particular cell, it prevents the cell dehydration. Okay, that pani chodna, it can be able to stop. Why? It consisting of a special protein that is called as halorhodopsin, a special chemical that is called as halorhodopsin. Now you tell me, bachcho, with which chemical the halophile can live even in the high salty areas? Tell me. Very important question it is, and important chod the bachcho. Very interesting question it is. Am I correct or not? It is interesting or not? Understanding it. So it is interesting question. Okay. Now The next one is, see, basically you please understand, salty areas are not that क्या बोलते हैं, that good conditions नहीं. Basically it's not salty area, it is not that we can't be able to, for example, very simple, very easily I'll tell you, पक्का आपको समझ में आएगा. You took bath in lake and you took bath in sea water, understanding it. In which water में if you take bath you will be comfortable? You tell me. Sea water से आप नहा के बाहर आया, still you won't be comfortable, understanding it. Why? That saltiness है ना, चिपकता है, वर्टिकल थोड़ा sweat ज्यादा आता है, understand? You won't feel comfortable. But fresh water में ऐसा नहीं होता है, you feel fresh. You will you agree with my statement or not? Yes, you have to agree because I'm telling you truth, understanding it. That means salt conditions are not that favorable conditions, so that the organic minerals, it cannot be able to, the organ, sea water is hard, yeah. yeah, correct. Okay, now, okay, whatever it is, now that salt environment mein the organism cannot be able to perform photosynthesis because basically it is not in a comfort zone. Basically, yeah, okay, Dipti. Basically, they're not in comfort zone. That's why they can't be able to perform what? Photosynthesis. That is the reason why it develops a special membrane. Very important question. Important, chhod do bachcho. Interesting question it is. Okay, important. It is anyway. It is very, very important. Isme there is no doubt. But more than important, it is very, very interesting point. What is that? You know, this halobacteria or halophile, they consisting of a special membrane called as purple membrane. What is that, bachcho? A purple membrane. Sir, what is this purple membrane? In this purple membrane, you can be able to see a special pigment that is called as bacteriorhodopsin. What is that, bachcho? Bacteriorhodopsin. सर नेम थोड़ा अजीब है ना, बट थोड़ा 2-3 बार आप पढ़ो बच्चों, पक्का आपको समझ में आएगा. सो बैक्टीरिया रोडोप्सिन, बैक्टीरियोरोडोप्सिन, बैक्टीरियोरोडोप्सिन. ओके बच्चों, फॉर यू आई प्रोनाउंस्ड इट फॉर 3 times. ओके, आई थिंक आदत हो गया आपको. बैक्टीरियोरोडोप्सिन. ओके, आर यू ओके ना? आप प्रोनाउंस कर सकते हैं ना अभी? ओके, आकांक्षा, थर्ड पॉइंट, एक्सप्लेन. ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. Basically salty areas में cells they tend to lose the water. Okay, basically salt में if you keep any cell और cell से पानी बाहर आएगा. So this halophiles, they are पूरा जिंदगी भर they are living in a salt areas only ना. That's why they develop a special chemical that is called as halorhodopsin. With the help of this special chemical called as halorhodopsin, that pani bahar chodna property it can stop. So it stops the cellular dehydration with the help of what? Halorhodopsin pigment or chemical. समझ में ना? आकांक्षा, समझ में ना? Yes, very nice, very nice. Now the fourth point is, देखो, this halobacterium, it develops a special membrane that is called as what? Purple membrane. Okay, this halobacteria, these halophiles are there na, they develop a special membrane. That membrane it is called as what? Purple membrane. And this purple membrane may you can be able to see a special pigment that is called as bacteriorhodopsin. With the help of this bacteriorhodopsin pigment, it directly synthesizes ATP from the light. Sun energy, sunlight है ना, the sunlight energy से directly it can be able to prepare the ATP without performing photosynthesis. That is a significance. Okay बच्चों, directly sunlight it can be able to convert the sunlight into ATP with the help of what? Bacteriorhodopsin pigment that is present in this membrane called purple membrane, a special type of membrane. Okay, समझ में आना बच्चों? The fourth point, many confusion. Any doubts you please ask. Any doubts you please ask. समझ में आना चिल्ड्रन? फोर्थ पॉइंट में, या रिपीट. In halobacteria there is a special membrane called purple membrane. In that there is a special pigment called as bacteriorhodopsin. With the help of special pigment bacteriorhodopsin, it can directly convert the light energy into the ATP. So without performing photosynthesis. There is no photosynthesis. Bina photosynthesis, it can be able to get the energy directly from light, and that is due to a pigment called as bacteriorhodopsin that is present in the purple membrane. Okay, who asked? Gaurav, and also Samruddhi also asked. So samajh mein Samruddhi got clear. And what about Gaurav? So proton pump matlab it is a kind of this membrane. Through this the hydrogens can be able to move from one place to another place. That is it. Okay, Sakshi, proton pump matlab this is a membrane through which the hydrogens can move. Understanding it? Aage piche andar se bahar, bahar se andar. Okay, hydrogens they can move. Okay, okay. How many? See, it all depends. It's all depends, you know. Bacterial lifespan we can't count, bacho. First of all, bacterial lifespan is uncertain. Okay, it depends upon the climatic conditions. Okay, bacterial life is completely uncertain. Okay, but at least, yeah, at least no one can answer this. Understanding it? Okay, Gaurav, he want me to repeat again. Beta, in halophiles there is no photosynthesis. Then how they get energy? Directly from light. Directly from light only they can be able to get the energy. So okay, now how they can be able to get the energy from the direct sunlight? By developing a special pigment called as bacteriorhodopsin in a membrane called as purple membrane. They develop a special membrane called as purple membrane, a special membrane that is called as purple membrane. In that it consisting of a bacteriorhodopsin pigment, by which directly it can be able to produce what? The ATP from the sunlight. Okay, बच्चों? Okay, गौरव समझ में ना अभी? गौरव समझ में आना बेटा? Gaurav, I already told you proton pump. I think you are not listening properly. You are not listening properly. Proton pump matlab hydrogens they can be able to cross the membrane. If the hydrogens can be able to freely cross the membrane, then that is called as proton pump. I told you, you are not listening. मैं क्या करूं? Okay, but good. If you have doubt, asking है ना, that is very good. Okay, at least now you understood. Huh? Yes. Okay. Now I already told you this point. I already told you this is actually a separate point. Nahi, direct. This is all single point only. They cannot prepare food. That means directly what I carbohydrates like what eubacteria. They directly what produce energy from ATP from the sunlight. This point I already told you. And these are the example: halobacterium, halococcus. These are the examples for what? Halophiles. Okay, where the prokaryotes or the bacteria which live in very deep sea water, very deep sea. Manlo, this is a ocean. Okay, this is a ocean. Very deeply there. Okay. Okay, very deeply if they can present. If the prokaryotes are present very deep sea water. If they are present, they are called as read it. What is that? Barophilic bacteria. What is that, bachcho? Barophilic bacteria. Now you tell me, bachcho, what do you mean by barophilic bacteria? Barophilic bacteria मतलब क्या बच्चों? If the bacteria which can live in deep sea water, sea का बहुत 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 अंदर, if they live, then that is called as barophilic bacteria. Okay, बच्चों? Okay, yes, live in deep sea. Okay, halophiles में any doubts are there, children? Any doubt? Please ask. Any doubt? Please ask any doubt. No doubt. Very good, very good. Now the next one is thermoacidophils. Thermoacidophils. बच्चों ये in this the meaning is there in the what word itself. Thermo means what? आप खुद ही बोलिए. In the name itself, नाम में ही meaning है. Thermo means what? Temperature. क्या सोच रहे हैं? Acidic. What is the meaning acidic? ज्यादा pH. Understanding it? pH is of 2, 1. Highly acidic. Understanding it? You know pH पता है ना आपको? pH तो पता है ना? मान लो if you take 7, the 7 pH is neutral. Okay, and 7 का नीचे जाएगा तो it is called as acidic. 7 से बाहर आएगा तो it is what? इट इज व्हाट 7 से ऊपर जाएगा तो इट इज व्हाट बेसिक, इट इज व्हाट बेसिक। ओके, ये आई थिंक एवरीवन नो, सेफ्टी के लिए बोल रहे हैं सर, पता है फिर भी बोल रहे, सेफ्टी इज इंपॉर्टेंट। मे बी सम स्टूडेंट हैज कम कंफ्यूजन, तो उसको क्लियर होता है ना, इसलिए। नाउ इफ यू टेक दिस थर्मोएसिडोफिल्स, दे कैन बी एबल टू लिव इन very very high acidic conditions, that means low pH में 1 2 also they can tolerate. Okay, now the bacteria which can live in high what I call temperature, understanding, and high what I call that means high acidic, that means low pH में if they can live, then that is called as thermoacidophils. Okay बच्चों, okay, is this clear children? And these thermoacidophils, they can be able to, they're present in hot sulfur springs, hot sulfur springs, understanding it sir? Hot sulfur springs kidhar rahega? And they are present in the Himalayan regions. Where they are present bachcho? Himalayan regions. Sir, basically how they hot sulfur springs are formed? Basically please understand बच्चों, because this point है ना, आपको क्लैरिटी नहीं आएगा तो आपको बहुत कंफ्यूजन आता है। बेसिकली दिस थर्मोएसिडोफिल्स क्या करेगा ना, दे रिएक्ट दिस पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स है ना, दे कन्वर्ट दिस पर्टिकुलर सल्फर टू सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड। दैट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, अदरवाइज ये पॉइंट आपको समझ में नहीं आता है। Basically thermoacidophils has a property. What is that property? You know, they convert this particular sulfur, understand, to sulfuric acid. Because they consisting of this particular sulfuric acid, they form into the hot sulfur springs. बच्चों सल्फर स्प्रिंग्स के बारे में समझ में है ना? सच बोलिए प्लीज। ऐसे आई एम द वन वेरी कंफर्टेबल, यू कैन आस्क 10 times also. Okay, so at least you be happy and you ask the question, repeat. Okay, I'll repeat. बेटा thermoacidophil है ना, thermoacidophil has a capacity. What is that capacity? They can convert this particular sulfur to sulfuric acid. Because of the accumulation of this particular sulfuric acid है ना, sulfuric acid is very acidic na, that's why it forms an area very very hot, very very hot area it will produce, because it is acidic. It is what? Acidic है ना, acidic area मतलब it is very very क्या हो, डेंजरस होता है। अंडरस्टैंडिंग? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू ओपन द एसिड बॉटल का लिड, यू कैन बी एबल टू से हॉट स्प्रिंग्स। हाउ मेनी बच्चों योर 10th क्लास में, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वेंट टू योर केमिस्ट्री लैब? केमिस्ट्री लैब में हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू सीन हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड? व्हेन यू ओपन द like mouth of that lid of this particular like that होता है ना glass lid, if you open you can be able to hot springs, ऐसा। so that sulfur springs में they can be able to live, understanding it बच्चों? बच्चों ये पॉइंट सच बोलिए, you tell me truth, आप सच बोलना है। ओके, दिस हॉट सल्फर स्प्रिंग समझ में आया? सच में बोलिए। अंडरस्टूड? ओके ओके, हम 10 मेन स्कूल्स, 10th मेन स्कूल्स सर एग्जाम के लिए गया है। ओके या तो करो ना, क्या करो है ना, सो कोरोना कंडीशन में ऐसा होता है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट। बट वन थिंग इट इज ट्रू, कोरोना का वजह से एजुकेशन का बहुत दिक्कत आ रहा है। देखो education, your future I don't know, at least this year there is no corona must be there, because no last year many students they lost their interest on the studies also. अरे online में कितना interest आएगा? when teacher is present in front of you कितना interest आता है, screen का ऊपर रहेगा तो कितना interest आता है, understanding it? so that seriousness के लिए the physical classrooms are very important. so चलो whatever it is, नसीब, हम क्या कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते। now thermo is sir under aerobic and anaerobic conditions. बच्चों here they live in anaerobic conditions. Very good question you asked. They live in anaerobic condition, understanding it? only for oxidizing this particular sulfur, only the sulfur reaction के लिए partially they utilize oxygen, partially they utilize what? Oxygen. Understood children? But the by default very easily I'll tell you, very easily I'll tell you. Basically I am सबको पता है, understanding it, I am a strict vegetarian, but sometimes some people they will call me and I will go to their home. अरे यार आज मेरा बेटा का बर्थडे है, प्लीज आइए, ओके आज पार्टी अरेंज कर रहे हैं, and all my friends are non-vegetarians. Now you tell me, I am sitting there with non-vegetarian people, but do I eat non-veg? समझ में? I think so. Okay, Okay, that means partially I am present with non-vegetarians. आपको लगेगा what is that? I am also a non-vegetarian, but I'm a strict vegetarian. I hate non-vegetarian. Understanding it? So they are anaerobes. Understand? But partially they will utilize what? Oxygen for the oxidation of this particular sulfur to sulfuric acid. अभी समझ में? Who asked? Janeshwari. So Janeshwari should tell. Yes, you understood. That's very nice. Whereas the thermoeosinophils, आपको basic doubt बच्चों, it's not a big doubt, a basic doubt. Sir, thermoeosinophils, इतना temperature, इतना acidic nature, how they can tolerate? The reasons I brought. What is that reasons? You know, they have special branched lipid chains. What is that, bachcho? Tell me, what is the first reason? They consisting of special branched lipid chains are present. Special branched lipid chains are present so that they can tolerate itna. Deepti, you want me to explain second and third point? This is single point only, bachcho. This is not second point. This is third point. This is second single point. Deepti, basically thermoeosinophils can be able to live in hot sulfur springs also. Why you know this particular thermoeosinophils has capacity to convert the sulfur to what? Sulfuric acid. Okay, because they can be able to convert the sulfur into sulfuric acid. Okay, they have tolerance to live they in what? Hot sulfur springs. That is the meaning of the second and third point. Understood better? Actually, this is not second and third point. This is single point only. I made it into 2 points so that you can understand. Okay. Now, how can they tolerate high degree centigrade? Sir, itna temperature, itna acidic nature, how they can be able to tolerate? Because they consisting of branched lipid chains. Okay, the lipid chains is very tough and they are very branched, and they consisting of enzymes which can be able to work in low pH also, and the enzymes which can be able to tolerate the high temperature also. So by developing some special enzymes and special lipid chains, branched lipid chains, they can be able to tolerate high temperature and also low acidic nature. Understanding, bachcho? Sorry, high acidic nature. कोयागुलेशन मतलब क्लंपिंग बच्चों. कोयागुलेशन मतलब क्लंपिंग. ओके, तो ज्यादा टेम्परेचर है तो ऑर्गेनिजम्स है ना, दे बिकम्स वीक एंड दे बिकम्स क्लोज होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कोयागुलेशन. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल ज्यादा टेम्परेचर है, आप क्या करेंगे? ऐसा करते हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? अरे इट इज वेरी ऐसा. दैट इज कॉल्ड गेटिंग क्लोज. Yeah, kind of bringing it close. Understanding it? Okay, for example, ज्यादा धूप है, आप क्या करेगा? धूप ज्यादा है, क्या करेगा आप? बोलिए. धूप ज्यादा है तो you will somehow you will become like you will come, थोड़ा shrink होता है, and shrink मतलब you will close yourself and you will go into a shade. Understanding it? That is called coagulation. That property, shrinking. You will make yourself little vertical close. Okay. Okay, thermoeosinophils समझ में ना children? Thermoeosinophils, is this clear? Okay, now here comes the next one. What is the next one? The third one is nothing but what? Cyanobacteria. What is the meaning of cyanobacteria? Cyano means what? What is the meaning of cyano? Bluish green color. Cyanobacteria matlab what? Bluish green color. Okay, because they look bluish green, that's why it is called as what? Blue green algae. Okay, cyano matlab bluish green, not exactly blue, thoda green touch hota hai. Okay, peacock feathers में they are not exactly blue, thoda greenish touch hota hai. Understanding it? Like that they looks like क्या बोलते हैं? Okay, blend of vertical blue and green, that's why they are called as what? Blue green algae. Simply BGA. Simply you can write, even exam, sir exam में लिख सकते हैं क्या? A simple form exam में also आप लिख सकते हैं BGA. Understand? There is no problem बच्चों. Okay, even exam also BGA लिखेगा तो मैं marks देता है, no problem. Okay, where this blue green algae, mostly their characters are similar to eubacteria. That means maximum, like say 80% of the characters of blue green algae, they are similar to eubacteria bachcho. 80% is okay, where where पुराना मैं बात कर रहे पुराना का बात. Earlier this blue green algae it was included under a class called as Cyanophyceae. What is that बच्चों? Cyanophyceae. But बाद में in two according to the two kingdom classification बाद में बच्चों हिस्ट्री में मैं क्लियरली बोला बच्चों two kingdom classification is not a correct classification. इसलिए that two kingdom classification given by Linnaeus it is cancelled. So is yeah Shankar Dinesh क्या हुआ बेटा? यस यू रेज्ड योर हैंड. यू गॉट एनी डाउट और बाय मिस्टेक और कुछ डाउट है तो बोलिए बेटा. शंकर यू रेज्ड योर हैंड. क्या हुआ? I think by mistake hoga, whatever it may be. So earlier blue green algae it was included under a class called as Cyanophyceae in two kingdom classification. But बच्चों में history में I already told you history of biological classification में basically the two kingdom classification is cancelled. Okay, that's why it were included under what kingdom? Monera. Right now they are under what? Monera kingdom में है. Okay, and this name cyanobacteria was suggested by ICNB. ICNB मतलब what? International Code of Nomenclature of Bacteria. International Code of Nomenclature of Bacteria. Okay, and mostly blue green algae can be seen in fresh water. Of course rarely you can be able to see them in marine water also. Okay, even land पे भी दे दिखता है. And cyanobacteria are oxygenic photosynthesizing bacteria. That means they can be able to perform photosynthesis, and while they are performing photosynthesis they can release oxygen also. So they are oxygen releasing photosynthetic bacteria. Oxygen releasing photosynthetic bacteria. Will you believe me or not? I am telling you a truth. For the first time understanding it, the oxygen releasing photosynthesis is identified in cyanobacteria. For the first time the oxygen releasing photosynthesis is noticed in cyanobacteria. Understood? Where cyanobacteria is usually non-motile. They can't be able to move from one place to another place. मान लो if they move they show gliding movement. बच्चों gliding movement मतलब yesterday also I told you चिपक के ड्रैग करता है, then that is called as gliding movement. और ऑसिलरी मूवमेंट मतलब सर्किल्स जैसे घूमता है. व्हाट इज दैट बच्चों? सर्किल्स जैसे घूमता है ना, लाइक दैट. सर्किल्स जैसे घूमेगा तो देन दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑसिलरी मूवमेंट. बच्चों समझ में है ना? बच्चों प्लीज आस्क. ओके, वेरी नाइस. नाउ लेट अस टेक forms, various forms of what cyanobacteria. बच्चों cyanobacteria they may be unicellular. बच्चों unicellular मतलब पूरा बैक्टीरिया it is made up of only one cell. If the complete bacteria it is made up of single cell. Sir example देखो, example spirulina. देखो I am using spirulina. बच्चों देखो, दिख रहे ना? देखो दिख रहे ना? బాగా క్లాస్లో మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. So these are unicellular. Understanding it? Actually मुझे इधर फ्रैक्चर लेफ्ट हैंड है ना, ये फ्रैक्चर हुआ, बोन डिसलोकेट हुआ. So that time my doctor told that along with the medication you take spirulina also, because spirulina is a richest source of edible proteins. Okay, प्रोटीन्स में, बिकॉज सेल फॉर्मेशन के लिए, बिकॉज मेरा बोन नॉट ओनली गॉट फ्रैक्चर्ड, इट गॉट डिसलोकेटेड ऑल्सो. सो कोलेजन के लिए प्रोटीन चाहिए ना, दैट्स वाई doctor suggested you use my prescription, all the medicines you take, along with the medicines you take spirulina also. Understand? Triglyceride. Akanksha every time she will ask. But good, let her be happy. But why she ask I don't know. मुझे तो पता नहीं चलता है why she ask. Okay, I gave the lesson notes. Okay, chalo, no problem, let her be happy. Now the next one is some they live colonial. What is the meaning of colonial bachcho? Few organisms they start living together. Few organisms, for example police colony, teachers colony. So some teachers they start living in a group. Some police they start living in a group. Lawyers colony, all the lawyers they start living in the group. So if the organisms starts living in the group, then that is called as what? colonial. And the next one is filamentous. Filamentous matlab if they are present like ऐसा spy, देखो दिख रहे हैं ना बच्चों, देखो if they are arranged like देखो देखो, okay, the cells, many cells are present and they are arranged like a row, understand it, then that is called as filamentous. So some are unicellular, some are colonial, and some are filamentous. Okay children, these are the various forms of what? Cyanobacteria. Any doubts you got? Bacho, any doubts? No? Okay. Now the next one is structure of cyanobacteria. But here I want to tell you structure of cyanobacteria. I don't know reason, मुझे भी पता नहीं. Don't ask me because मुझे भी पता नहीं. तो बोलने के लिए मुझे पता चलना है ना, मुझे पता नहीं. I don't know. From the beginning of the AFMT, single question is also not asked in the cyanobacteria structure. Okay, but I am explaining, but you don't read it. Okay, because they're not asking. See, unnecessarily time waste क्यों करना है? Cyanobacteria structure का ऊपर questions are not coming in नीट एग्जाम, अंडरस्टैंड इट. दैट्स वाई मैं एक्सप्लेन करेगा, यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, बट ज्यादा इसका ऊपर ध्यान मत दो. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. वेयर साइनोबैक्टीरिया, द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द साइनोबैक्टीरिया इज मोस्टली सिमिलर टू ग्राम नेगेटिव यू बैक्टीरिया. May I already told you in the introduction, maybe I told you. So mostly they are similar to gram negative U bacteria, where the cell, it is surrounded by a mucilaginous sheath. Understanding it बच्चों, mucilaginous sheath मतलब I already told you. Can anyone tell? Because I told, so I am asking. Mucilaginous sheath मतलब क्या बच्चों? Slimy layer, like थोड़ा sticky layer. That is called as what? Mucilaginous sheath, which is made up of mucopolysaccharides. Which is made up of what बच्चों? Mucopolysaccharides. Okay. Now the cell wall of the bacteria, that means the blue-green algae, it is made up of two layers. The outer layer, it is made up of lipopolysaccharides, and the inner layer, it is made up of peptidoglycan. That means presence of the two cell walls. Presence of how many? Two cell walls. Outer and inner cell wall, it is a characteristic property of the cyanobacteria. बच्चों ये point समझ में है ना? Cell wall समझ में है ना? See, remaining all bacteria में single cell wall, but blue green algae में two cell walls. First cell wall, outer cell wall, it is made up of lipids and polysaccharides, and inner cell wall, it is made up of peptidoglycan. समझ में है ना? See देखो कितना शानदार है, दो cell walls. Okay. Now the plasma membrane, it is made up of lipids and proteins. Plasma membrane, it is made up of what? Lipids and proteins. That's why it is called as the lipoprotein layer. Sir, do we have to write the structure? लिखना है, but because it is there, syllabus में है. But I am telling it is not important in the point of exam point of view. मान लो board exam में आएगा तो क्या करेगा? मान लो board exam, because you are not only preparing for NEET na, you are preparing for your board exams also. No, board exam में ask, if they ask what you do, है ना? So लिखो पढ़ो, अंडरस्टैंड इट. बट नीट का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में आई डोंट नो, रीजन मुझे भी पता नहीं. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द साइनोबैक्टीरिया में ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं, they are not asked questions, they are not asking. Okay बेटा, okay. Now the next one. So inside the cell, the cells are filled up with cytoplasm. That cytoplasm, it is divided into two portions. What are the two portions? मान लो this is cell बच्चों, मान लो example के लिए बोल रहे, this is a cell, and the cell का अंदर cytoplasm. The cytoplasm which is near to the cell wall, it is called as peripheral cytoplasm, and the cytoplasm which is present in the center of the cell, it is called as what? Central cytoplasm. बच्चों समझ में ना? Whereas the cytoplasm which is near to the cell wall, which is called as peripheral cytoplasm, is also called as chromoplasm. It is called as what बच्चों? Chromoplasm. And the cytoplasm which is present in the center of the cell, it is called as centroplasm. बच्चों समझ में आ रहा है ना? बच्चों बाउंसर्स नहीं हो रहे ना? बच्चों बाउंसर्स नहीं हो रहे ना? ओके, आर यू ओके इन माय क्लास? जो बोल रहे हैं आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? ओके, सच में आपको समझ में आएगा तो बोलिए, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्रोमोप्लाज्म एंड सेंट्रोप्लाज्म? आपको आप बोल रहे हैं एस 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 बोल रहे हैं ना? हाँ हाँ बोल रहे हैं ना? बोलिए, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्रोमोप्लाज्म एंड सेंट्रोप्लाज्म? Yes, cytoplasm which is present in the center of the cell, it is called as centroplasm. Okay, and the cytoplasm which is present near to the cell wall, that is called as what? Chromoplasm. Okay, गौरव समझ में ना आपको? बिकॉज यू आस्क्ड मी टू एक्सप्लेन अगेन, सो आई एक्सप्लेन यू अगेन. गौरव बेटा समझ में ना? और एक बार बोलूं मैं? ओके, वेरी गुड. एंड पेरिफेरल सेंट्रोप्लाज्म, व्हाट इज पेरिफेरल साइटोप्लाज्म में यू कैन बी एबल टू सी गैस वैक्यूल्स, ओके, विच हेल्प्स इन बायोन्सी. बच्चों बायोन्सी पता है ना? बायोन्सी मतलब एबिलिटी टू फ्लोट. बच्चों बायोन्सी पता है ना? इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग. बायोलॉजी में बार बार वी विल यूज बायोन्सी मतलब एबिलिटी टू फ्लोट. वेर इज इट कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ photosynthetic thylakoids. So this photosynthetic thylakoids helps in photosynthesis. They helps in what? Photosynthesis. Whereas the centroplasm में you can be able to see the what a nucleoid. बच्चों nucleoid मतलब don't say that I forgot. It's the genetic material of the bacteria. Genetic material of the bacteria is called as what? What I nucleoid. Many times I told you also. बच्चों समझ में आया? You wanted to ask anything? Okay, she's Sakshi beta telling yes. Okay. Now let us take another characters. Now, as बच्चों the A B बोलना है क्या? You tell me the 70s ribosomes can be बच्चों all the prokaryotes में can be able to 70s ribosomes. Okay. Yesterday also I told you prokaryotes मतलब 70s ribosomes only. Okay, whereas very bachcho this point, will you believe me or not, but I am telling you truth only. This question it is asked for many times, many times asked. Okay, approximately this question you can be able to see in your NEET exam minimum 4 to 5 times. If you want you can check it. Check it bachcho, you check it 4 to 5 times this question is asked. Oscillatoria, there is a cyanobacteria that is called as what bachcho? There is a cyanobacteria that is called as oscillatoria. This oscillatoria consisting of the special proteins. Okay, bachcho, मान लो this is one protein and मान लो this is another protein, and these particular proteins का बीच में a special connections are there called as homopolar bonds. बच्चों which bonds बच्चों? Homopolar. बच्चों very important question, please listen carefully and understand carefully. Again safety के लिए I'll repeat once again. Oscillatoria, there is a cyanobacteria. There is a cyanobacteria. उसका नाम oscillatoria. What is a specialty? You know, there this oscillatoria में you can be able to see the proteins का बीच में special bonds are called as homopolar bonds. With the help of homopolar bonds, this oscillatoria can be able to tolerate high temperature up to 80 degrees centigrade. सो 80 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर, आप हाथ ऐसा रखो ये स्किन बाहर आएगा. यू कैन सी योर स्किन कम्स आउट. Understanding it? So 80 degrees centigrade it can be able to tolerate because their proteins are connected by special bonds called as homopolar bonds. बच्चों समझ में ना? ये very important question. So please ask. डाउट से तो प्लीज आस्क. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. समझ में ना? Okay. So now the second important question. What is the second important question? Okay, the repeat. Oscillatoria, there is a cyanobacteria. There is a cyanobacteria called as oscillatoria beta. In that oscillatoria organism में bacteria में you can be able to see the proteins which are connected by special bonds called as homopolar bonds. So because their proteins are connected by special bonds called as homopolar bonds, it can tolerate high temperature up to 80 degrees centigrade temperature also it can be able to tolerate. बेटा समझ में ना? Who asked? Tanvi asked and Gaurav asked. So Tanvi and Gaurav, समझ में ना children? दोनों समझ में ना? Tanvi, oscillatoria, there is a bacteria. Okay, the bacteria which is called as oscillatoria, इसमें the proteins are connected by a special bonds called as homopolar bonds. Because their proteins are connected by special bonds called as homopolar bonds, they can tolerate the high temperature like 80 degrees centigrade also. तन्वी बेटी समझ में ना? 80 degrees is constable or changes with respect to the environmental changes. क्या बोला साक्षी? मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आया बेटा. What? I don't know. I did not understand बच्चों. Can you ask once again? I think she will ask once again. No problem. Meanwhile, we'll continue. Whereas the cyanobacteria consisting of a special cells. बच्चों दिख रहे हैं ना? Purple color में दिख रहे हैं ना? Otherwise, I'll circle it. Then आपको easily some. These are special cells that are developed in the cyanobacteria, and these special cells are called as heterocysts. What is that, बच्चों? Heterocysts. The cyanobacteria consisting of special cells called as heterocysts, and with the help of this heterocysts they can be able to convert the atmosphere 80 degrees and change. See, temperature every time temperature constant होता है क्या? Morning time में 24 18 होता है and afternoon में 30 36 होता है. Again constant कैसे होता है बेटा? See, whenever it can change, then it can be able to tolerate even 80 degrees centigrade. So constant कैसे होता है? दिन में पूरा दिन में 80 degrees constant है क्या? सुबह ठंडा रहता है, शाम भी ठंडा रहता है, आफ्टरनून कितना धूप रहेगा. सो कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर नहीं, इट चेंजेस ऑलवेज. ओके नाउ या यस नाउ यू आर परफेक्ट. यस नाउ यू टोल्ड परफेक्टली. मींस अकॉर्डिंग टू द एनवायरनमेंट, बट इट उसका अंदर कैपेसिटी है. इसका अंदर व्हाट कैपेसिटी है? उसका अंदर दैट कैपेसिटी इज देयर. ओके नाउ this heterocyst is the special cells that are present in the cyanobacteria which can convert this atmospheric nitrogen to nitrites, and this process it is called as a nitrogen fixation. Okay bachcho. So these 2 points bachcho, will you believe me or not, I am telling you the truth. Will you believe me or not, I am telling you truth. These 2 questions are asked minimum 4 to 5 times in your NEET exam. So these 2 points है ना, पढ़ो अच्छा से पढ़ो. Okay बच्चों, these 2 points में any doubts you please ask. Especially these 2 points में any doubts you please ask. Heterocyst point you understood na? Special cells that are developed in the body of the cyanobacteria. Special cells that are developed in the body of the cyanobacteria which helps in nitrogen fixation, called heterocysts. बच्चों any doubts are there? Any doubts please ask. No doubt. Okay. Now, देखो न्यूट्रिशन बच्चों, मैं ऑलरेडी बोला, सो अगेन आई नीड नॉट टू स्ट्रगल सो मच टू टेल. न्यूट्रिशन इज फोटोट्रॉफिक. बच्चों फोटोट्रॉफिक मतलब क्या? दे कैन प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड मटेरियल. Okay, they are photosynthetic. Okay, whereas they prepare their own food material by photosynthesis, and in their photosynthesis oxygen it is released. Okay, what is released bachcho? Oxygen it is released, and their body में special what do you call photosynthetic pigments can be able to see. That is nothing but chlorophyll A, carotenoids, C-phycocyanin, C-phycoerythrin, like that. These are various photosynthetic pigments are present in their body, whereas not all the cyanobacteria present in blue-green color. There are some blue-green algae like a trichodesmium. They are present in red color also. They are present in what? Red color also. Understood bachcho? Whereas they can be able to store the food material also for the future purpose in form of alpha granules and beta granules. Alpha granules are made up of starch, and because this starch it is present in cyanobacteria, that's what is called cyanophycean starch. Whereas beta granules, they are made up of fats. They are made up of what? Fats. Sir, with the help of sunlight. Yes beta Sakshi, perfect. Okay, nutrition समझ में ना बच्चों? Very easy only, I need not ask, but safety is important. That's why I'm asking once again. Sir, easy points also you will ask 2-3 times, because beta why I'll ask na, just not to trouble you, because safety is important. मान लो कुछ doubt है तो you will ask na, that's why I'll ask every time. समझ में आया. Okay. Now the next one is nitrogen fixation. बच्चों nitrogen fixation मतलब just now I told you, the nitrogen fixation, it means the process of conversion of the nitrogen to the nitrites is called as, or nitrates is called as a nitrogen fixation. Okay, and the nitrogen fixation, it takes place by symbiotic and also asymbiotic. Symbiotic matlab they make relationship with other organism, then that is called as symbiotic. They don't make any relation and they are freely present in the water or soil, and they can convert the nitrogen, then they can perform nitrogen fixation, then that is called as asymbiotic. And these are the various examples of pado bachcho. ओके एंड यू नो द साइनोबैक्टीरिया इतना नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन कैपेसिटी है खुद ही बच्चों आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर फ्रॉम farming background you ask your papa he will tell you they will put nitrogen in this particular what I call farm in the name of urea in the name of you ask your any student from farming background bachcho any student from farming background you ask your father today after finishing my class you ask your father to increase the nitrogen capacity he will add what urea and also the market mein the cyanobacteria is available no stock understand they are available such mein you go to any what you call fertilizers what you call शॉप यू आस्क भैया मुझे थोड़ा वड़गल साइनोबैक्टीरिया दैट मींस वड़गल नॉ स्टॉक एंड अनाबेना दीजिए अनाबेना ग्रैन्यूल्स मिलेगा बच्चों अंडरस्टैंड इट दे विल पुट इट इन द सॉइल टू इंक्रीज व्हाट नाइट्रोजन quantity in the soil understand it why you know why you know why you know because this cyanobacteria consisting of an enzyme called as a nitrogenase enzyme which enzyme bachcho nitrogenase enzyme so with the help of this nitrogenase enzyme they can convert in atmospheric nitrogen to nitrates or nitrates bachcho समझ में आना children सर आप एग्जांपल्स नहीं बोला बच्चों एग्जांपल्स आप पढ़ो ओके एग्जांपल्स आप पढ़ो एक्सेप्ट एग्जांपल्स पूरा कंटेंट समझ में आना बच्चों अच्छा please tell me understood okay now reproduction but if you take the reproduction the cyanobacteria reproduce vegetatively also and also asexually also vegetatively by binary fission एक ही organism it cuts into two fragmentation एक ही organism it is broken into so many pieces and each and every piece it develops into single organism and hermogonia and this hermogonia are the special segments बच्चों दिख रहे हैं ना the special what you call spore like segments that are formed special spore like segments that are formed in the middle of the body they are called as hormogonia whereas asexually they produces echinates also sir echinates matlab kya hai the special oval structures that are formed inside the body of the special oval disc like special oval disc like structures that are formed in the body of the cyanobacteria during unfavorable conditions called as echinates understood बच्चों हार्मोगोनिया एकाइनेट्स फ्रेगमेंटेशन एवरीथिंग समझ में है और एक बार बोलूं बच्चों समझ में है और एक बार बोलूं मैं सर आकांक्षा वाले ना यस यस मैं एक्सपेक्ट किया आकांक्षा नो प्रॉब्लम सर एकाइनेट ओके बेटा बेटा एकाइनेट मतलब मान लो दिस बैक्टीरिया इज नॉट इन अ गुड कंडीशन अनफेवरेबल कंडीशंस में है सच अनफेवरेबल कंडीशंस में मान लो दिस इज अ बॉडी ऑफ द ब्लू ग्रीन algae दिस बॉडी ऑफ द ब्लू ग्रीन algae it produces a round what you call or a spherical structure and this spherical structures they are called as echinates okay and these echinates are released out of the body and whenever the favorable conditions come they germinate to produce a naya blue green algae raja beti samajh mein na yes very good bachcho okay now what are the uses of cyanobacteria bachcho uses बोलिए मैं इतना एक्सप्लेन किया ये तो बोल सकते हैं ना okay what are the uses of cyanobacteria they helps in nitrogen fixation and they prevent the soil erosion and they're the good source of the proteins okay and they're used as green manure understood and some cyanobacteria has special character also what is the special character no they can be able to kill the insect bacteria okay the insect bacteria understanding it mosquito bacteria are there na the mosquito mosquito larva hai na that mosquito larva they you can be able to kill green manure beta green manure matlab to increase nitrogen fixation you will put a no stock anabena sir मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहे सर आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं बेटा you go to fertilizer shop बस भैया मुझे थोड़ा नो स्टॉक अनाबेना दीजिए बोलो then they will give in the name of green manure they will put it in the soil farmers hai na they will put it in the soil so the nitrogen quantity of the soil it will be increased so they are called as green manure to increase the nitrogen quantity if you are using the cyanobacteria then that fertilizer it is called as green manure beta samajh mein na sakshi beti samajh mein Sakshi only, I think she asked. Yes, okay. अदरवाइज मेरा खेत में आई एम पुटिंग ग्रीन मेन्यू ना, मैं फोटो खींच के मैं आपको देता है, ओके मैं आपको फोटो खींच के देता है, ओके मेरा मेरा सोनगांव में मेरा फार्म इज देयर एंड आई एम थिंकिंग टू पुट ग्रीन मेन्यू इन दैट, मैं फोटो खींच के आपको भेज देता है, ओके नॉस्टा खाना पीना मिलेगा, ओके देन आपको इजीली समझ में आता है, ओके एंड नॉट ओनली यूजेस बच्चों, हार्म्स आर आल्सो देयर, व्हाट इज दैट हार्म, you know the cyanobacteria sometimes they start growing in हमारा building roofs में and pillars में, then हमारा construction है ना, they becomes weak, understanding it, because blue green algae if they grow, understanding it, the pillars का strength है it weak है ना, so that the houses may collapse, understanding it, or sometimes oscillatoria like blue green algae they causes even asthma, gastrointestinal problems like that, and suddenly this very important question, algal bloom, will you believe me or not, minimum 5-6 times this is question is asked, बच्चों सच में बोल रहे 5-6 times this question is asked, 5-6 times, not one time or two time नहीं, 5-6 times this question is asked, okay water bloom matlab suddenly sometimes cyanobacteria will increase in the number, suddenly all of a sudden the cyanobacteria it increases in their number, because of that they kill the other aquatic organisms like fishes, snails and all, the remaining water organisms they will die, understanding it, because when they are producing, when they are increasing in their number, they release several toxins into the water so that the remaining organisms will die, okay बच्चों बच्चों हार्म्स आल्सो समझ में ना, बच्चों हार्म्स आल्सो समझ में ना, ओके नाव टुडे लास्ट टॉपिक बच्चों, दैट्स इट टुडे डन, एक्चुअली बच्चों मैं सच बोल रहे एक्चुअली दिस टॉपिक्स आई डोंट टीच द नेक्स्ट राइट नाउ बिकॉज you are in online, I am teaching basically minor phylums, I will give as homework, that is my habit, but this time I am not teaching in the regular class na, that's why I am explaining for the first time, understanding it, so but every year I don't explain this subgroups of Monera, subgroups of Monera I'll give them as homework, understanding it, but still but online में वो रिस्क में नहीं लेता है, so I'll only explain, okay maximum 5 minutes में हमारा lesson खत्म हो जाएगा, maximum 5 minutes, okay because minor groups are very small, so बच्चों many times I told you, many times around 5-6 times I told you बच्चों Monera kingdom is classified into 3 major groups and 3 minor groups. Major groups are nothing but Archaebacteria, Eubacteria and Cyanobacteria. And minor groups are Mycoplasma, Rickettsia and Actinomycetes. Okay. Now, Mycoplasma I will explain. But if you take Mycoplasma, whether you believe me or not, I am telling you truth, they are called as jokers. Such में बच्चों I am not joking. I am not joking. Mycoplasma are really called as jokers. Sir, why? Sir, why they are called as jokers, sir? Why they are called as jokers? Because their body is not covered by any cell wall. Cell wall is completely absent. That's why they are pleomorphic. Sir, pleomorphic मतलब बोलिए pleomorphic मतलब बोलिए. They can every time change their shape. Okay, all the time they change the shape. If the organism every time changing their shape, then that is called as pleomorphic. Sir, why they are pleomorphic? Cell wall is absent. Because cell wall is absent, the cell walls are completely absent in their body. That's why they always can be able to change their shape. That's why they are called as jokers of microbiology. Beta samajh mein na? Okay, now I told, now you have to tell, okay? Why mycoplasma? It is called as jokers of Monera or jokers of microbiology. They are pleomorphic. They are pleomorphic because cell wall is absent, they can change their shapes every time, that's why they are pleomorphic. Understood bachcho? Now very good sir, mycoplasma who identified it? There are two scientists bachcho, the first scientist is Nocard and next one is Rocks, and they identified mycoplasma in a cattle who is suffering from pneumonia. Plural pneumonia pata hai na bachcho, pneumonia pata hai na, TB, oh ऐसा करेगा तो that is called TB. that is सच में TB में we will cough ऐसा करेगा तो then that is called as what, pneumonia. Okay, The lungs में the fluid gets accumulated. The lungs में if the fluid get accumulated, then that is called as pleuropneumonia. Okay, ज्यादा कफ आता है, कफ, understanding it? ज्यादा कफ आता है, understanding it? Children समझ में आ रहे हैं ना? Whereas they are also called as MLO. Sir, what is the meaning of MLO? Mycoplasma like organisms and also pleuropneumonia like organisms. And this mycoplasma name, it was given by Novak. Who is that बच्चों? Novak. Any doubts बच्चों? You wanted to ask anything? बच्चों लोग समझ में आ रहे हैं ना आपको? Yes. Now let us take the characteristics. Characteristics are unicellular, small prokaryotic organisms, and kitna small, maximum 0.1 to 0.3 microns, not even millimeters बच्चों. Sir, pleuro beta, lungs. Pleuro, ninth, okay, I think maybe in your earlier classes में your teachers must not have told you. बच्चों pleuro मतलब lungs पता है ना? Lungs are also called as pleural organs. And because TB, that means pneumonia, comes to what? Lungs, it is called as pleuropneumonia. That's it. Itna simple. Very good. Now she understood. I'm happy for that. Yes, correct. Razia, correct, beta. Correct. Now, and their cell membrane is 3-layered. Their cell membrane, it is made up of 3 layers. Understanding it? And both DNA and RNA is present. Both DNA also and also RNA is present in them. And cell wall is completely absent. That's why every time they can be able to change their colors. Okay. And there are no cell organelles except ribosomes. All the cell organelles are absent except ribosomes. So these are the characteristics of the mycoplasma. Okay. And let us take some other characteristics. They are simplest organisms and they can be able to grow and reproduce by themselves. Okay. And they show heterotrophic nutrition. That means they depends upon others for food material. And they are resistant to penicillin and they are very sensitive to tetracycline. Okay. And they are facultative anaerobes. And reproduction takes place by binary fission. Understanding it, bachcho? Okay, these are the characteristics. And mycoplasma, it causes some diseases in plants also, like little leaf in brinjal and bunchy top in what you call this papaya. Dekho, dikh rahe na little leaf, dikh rahe na small leaves. And see, dekho, either bunchy leaves in papaya. These are all caused due to what? The mycoplasma only. Whereas it causes witch's broom disease in groundnut. देखो groundnut कितना छोटा हो गया. Whereas yellow aster disease in what you call the sunflower. Okay, and mycoplasma will be transmitted from one plant to another plant by. Yeah, I have sent. Yes. So in by this is a leaf bug. बच्चों दिख रहे हैं ना, this is a bug. Okay, leaf hopper, उसको बोलते हैं leaf hopper. And with the help of this leaf hopper, one plant to another plant, they will mycoplasma will transfer. One plant to another plant, mycoplasma will transfer. Okay. No screen, ऐसा कैसे होता है? आकांक्षा, refresh your page बेटा. Okay, and they even causes the diseases in animals also, and causes male sterility, pneumonia, pleuropneumonia, and primary atypical pneumonia, like that. They even causes what? The various diseases in human beings also, that means animals also. Okay, so mycoplasma में any doubts are there बच्चों? You wanted to ask anything बच्चों? Mycoplasma में anything you wanted to ask? Clear? Okay, very easy. Minor problems are very easy. That's why I don't teach na. I am teaching because I am not present directly online ka dwara. That's why mycoplasma I'm again asking. Next one is rickettsy. Bachcho, rickets is a non-motile bacteria and it is a gram-negative bacteria and it is highly pleomorphic. Highly pleomorphic matlab it can change its shape very frequently and they exist in the shape cocci, bacilli and threads jaise. And it was first of all identified by a scientist called as Ricketts. That's why it is called as rickettsy. And it causes many diseases also in us, and understanding it, and it will be transmitted from one organism to another organism by a disease called by a vector called as lice, fleas, and also mites and ticks. Understanding it? So these are all arthropod vectors. Arthropods मतलब insects बच्चों. Arthropods पता है ना, insects, insect vectors का द्वारा it will transfer from one to other, and it causes rickettsial infections like curry fever. Curry fever, it's a kind of fever बच्चों. Curry fever, it's a kind of fever. Okay. Anaplasmosis, like that, they causes so many diseases. Okay. Whereas the last one bachcho, actinomycetes, it is unicellular, branched and filamentous bacteria, whereas they are present in form of radiating colonies. Bachcho, radiating colonies matlab the colonies which are present in rays. बच्चों रेडिएटिंग कॉलोनीज मतलब ऐसा कॉलोनी ऐसा सर्किल नहीं रहेगा, दे आर प्रेजेंट like this, then that is called as radiating colonies, and they are present as decomposers. Okay. And they occurs in damp soils, fresh water, and manure production may, understand it, and they secrete several chemicals like antibiotics. Yes, yes, correct beta, correct. Okay. And they reproduce asexually by producing a special pores called as conidia. Special spores are produced from this actinomycetes, that is called as conidia. By them they can be able to reproduce asexually. So these are about minor phyla of Monera. Okay. With this, Monera kingdom is done bachcho. Monera kingdom is done, there is nothing left. Monera kingdom is done. And tomorrow onwards, Protesta kingdom. Tomorrow नहीं, next Tuesday onwards, Thursday. बच्चों next class में you are going to meet 33 new friends. Next class में you are going to get 33 new friends. So say hi to them. Okay. One more batch is adding into this batch. Okay. Bye children. Bye. Thank you all.